Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. We're just up here on a Sunday afternoon where we're supposed to spend most of our afternoons, and we thought we'd have a go at tackling this duckweed that's growing on the surface of the pond. I mean, it's good, but it's kind of taken over a little bit. But now we can sort of see some movement down here. We can see some tadpoles, and we've not been able to see anything for a while. So I've got this useful child's net here. I don't actually think it is for ponding, but it will do the job. So let's get some more of this out the pond. We don't really want to take any of the pond critters out either, so we will I'll probably hand this over to Fiona once I've got a good lot of it, and she can go through it and rescue any tadpoles. But there we go, it's just like a big old thick carpet really. There we go. Ooh. It's actually looking much better already. So in the winter this stuff actually just washes off the top as it rains, so it just dies down on its own. But during the summer, when there's not enough rain to keep the sort of disturbance the surface of the pond, it's worth just taking this out. And I should just have a quick look through this, but this all looks pretty clean. Yeah, and we'll just throw it up here at the back of the pond for a bit of composting. What do you reckon? Any more? Do you want a bit more out?
Yeah, see a bit more out of it. It's so thick, and we can't get to
and
see
we have
our
all these other
tadpoles.
oxygenators in the pond as well, so it's not like we're taking away. It's just creating a bit of space that we can see stuff in. There we go.
Make sure we ain't got any little tadpoles.
Looks good.
Looks good.
Rinse my hands off a bit. I'll come back up into the middle, I think. It's quite clear down this end now. And this plant that we've got growing in the middle here that's coming up is called a pickerel weed. Its common name. And this is the duckweed, this small stuff. As you can see, each individual leaf has a small strand.
Roots,
Yeah. So it just
keeps multiplying.
It does. Which is great for oxygenating and creating
a little haven for the tadpoles.
Yeah. Got some leaves floating in there as well. Right. And then this one, a little critter. So it's a snail, so we just water snail, we just throw them back in.
Yeah, you can see them hopping up now.
And here we've got another one as well. See the water snail, if you want to get nice and close. Sort of see a bit of a pattern on his shell. We pop him back in as well. There's quite a few more of those up this end compared to the other end. We won't really get
the shells.
Yeah, but there's loads of them. So we don't want these poor chaps to suffer. Oh, tadpole.
A little louder.
Is he alive? Yep, him just swim off. I just saw him go. And another shell. I think most of this duckweed's also ending up going back in, but hey ho. Oh, what we got here? I think we've got another tadpole. Bless him, he's right tangled up. No, it's just a stick. It's just a stick. There we go. I think that'll do us for now. That's looking a lot better. I mean, we could take much more out, but it's a good protection as well in the heat. It helps keep the water cool for the little creatures living in it.
Yeah, you can just about see them in there swimming around. I don't know if you can see them. Can see a few holes in it now. Before you couldn't see any space, no airways. It was just full of this duckweed.
tadpole. Come on, mate, out you get. He's a bit tangled. I think I got him. Got him? Yeah. Yep.
This stuff, man. This stuff.
It's not something you want to eliminate completely because it is a useful plant, but it does take over a little bit, so a little bit of maintenance now and then doesn't go amiss. I'm just trying to... this looks clean. Yeah, all good. Yeah, look, oh, I just saw one swim down.
The big froggies are hiding.
They are. Pretty. Just reverting to fingers up here because there's quite a lot of creatures. I say it's nothing, then you carry on. It's kind of addictive. What do you reckon? Do you want more out, or are you happy?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think we'll ever get it too clear, but it's looking a lot less. We've got quite a bit out, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we've got loads out. That's the most we took out in one go.
Yeah, that net really works.
It did.
And we forgot that we had that net.
I know, I just remembered. I thought I'll go and get it and try it.
It was our little toy that we had that we brought to play with when we're here. Here he is. But he's done the trick.
He has. Right, that'll do us.
Yeah, looking a lot better. Yeah, little tadpoles, I can see you now. You're not hiding from me now. Ooh, he just come right to the surface.
Oxygenator, because I think they're suffering a bit because they're not
'Cause of
getting this
this.
light. Yeah.
Probably. Because there was loads more of them in here as well. The oxygenators.
Yeah, there's lots of them up this end that are looking. Oh, that's the roots off that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can look there. I know some of these are
It's the
tree.
Tree,
Oh, no, that
yeah.
one's that's the tree. Yeah.
It is. You just can't get rid of it, man. Proper weed.
Duckweed.
Proper weed.
I remember when this was clear in the spring when we could see all the tadpoles.
You clear and it's like it's coming. It just keeps coming.
It does, it's like it comes up from the bottom or something. Look at that big handful.
I know, eh? You can't even rinse your hands off. You have to get a hole in it to get your hands out without them sticking to you.
Lordy, all done. Done.
All done. Yeah.
Yeah. Can't really work out. Might clear some of this off the top.